Check out those boxes right there. Those boxes were, I just received them in the mail, and they were donated to me by a very generous subscriber who had been in the fire and security industry for a long time, and I believe that subscriber still is. Donating to something you believe in is an extremely nice thing to do. However, the intention of this video is not to convince you subscribers to donate to me, because believe it or not, by just viewing my channel, subscribing, commenting, and watching my videos, you are doing plenty to support me. So thank you to all of my viewers, and thank you very much to the person that went above and beyond and contacted me and wanted to send me some extra fire equipment. So today we're going to be opening up these boxes on camera to see what this very generous subscriber sent in to me. Alright, here is box 1 out of 3. Just going to go ahead and start opening it. It is a horn only, not a strobe. Not a horn strobe. And this is what it looks like. And I do have one of these in the red version in my collection, but I don't have a white one, so that's really cool. Alright, second item. Oh my goodness. It's a blue medical pull station with the key. Alright, so this is a SG series 32AXK2 medical pull station. These are meant for special kinds of mass notification systems. And let's say there's a medical emergency and you need an ambulance right now. There you go. You don't even have to call 911. This is a really cool device to add to my collection as I don't have one of these. Okay, let's see what else. Whoa, it looks to be an EST Genesis chime strobe. Whoa, a chime strobe. Chime strobe EST Genesises are extremely rare. I don't have one, so thank you very much for that. I've actually always wanted one of these, and it came with a fire trim plate, and I don't even have an EST Genesis trim plate either, let alone one with fire markings. So this is a really neat device to add to my collection. I don't have anything like this. I do have the horn strobe version, but not the chime strobe version, so thank you very much for that. All right, let's look at this. Could it be another medical pull station? Whoa. Oh, nice. So it is the same thing as the blue pull station. It's the same thing as this pull station, only it's new in box, and guess what it came with? It came with all the different labelings that you can put on the bottom or the top of the pull station. So you can literally make any kind of mass notification or general emergency system that you want. We do have a note here, but I'm not going to open it on camera in case it includes something that you guys shouldn't see. Looks like we have another EST Genesis chime strobe, another one. Yep, another EST Genesis, and it's another chime strobe. So I have 3 of these now. That's really cool. Thank you so much. So the next alarm was the System Sensor SCW. It's a ceiling mount white fire alarm. And it's ceiling mount because you can see the word fire in all 360 degrees, and the strobe also flashes in all 360 degrees. It looks like we have another System Sensor wall mount speaker in white. Yep, there it is, as you can see. And this one right here. It is another System Sensor wall mount speaker in white. See, there it is. Thank you. Alright, this is box 3 out of 3. It's the third and final box. Let's go ahead and see what we have. And it looks like we have a lot more System Sensor. Alright, let's check out these mini horns. Looks like this is a white System Sensor mini horn. Here it is. And I do have one of these in my collection, but now I have another one, and it looks like a few more. And we have another one. And another one. And another one. And another one. But this one is in red. I actually don't have a red one in my collection. There it is. And we have another one. This one is in white, and I think it is the last one. Let's go ahead and look at this one right here. Looks like it is another HW horn in white, just like the first one. Go ahead and open that up to show you. See, it's another one of these. Thank you. And we have another one that's in white. Right here, it looks like we have a system sensor ceiling mount horn strobe in white. Let's go ahead and open it up. Here it is. It is the same thing as, where'd I put it? Right here. It's the same thing as this, which is the strobe only version, but this one has a built-in horn. I do have a red one of these that's a horn strobe, but I don't have a white one that's a horn strobe, so that's a pretty cool device to add to my collection. Thank you. And as you can see right here, it looks like there's about 20 system sensor model 5604 heat detector. I'm pretty sure these are fixed temperature, and I think that means it can only be used once, but that is obviously not a problem for me as I have a ton of them. And I don't have any system sensor heat detectors in my collection, and honestly, I think system sensor makes one of the best kinds of heat detectors, so definitely will be used, so thank you very much. And I actually do like the design of these detectors. It looks really cool. Thank you. Looks like there's two more things. Let's go ahead and check out this. It looks like it is a DSC wireless carbon monoxide detector. Check it out. It is a battery operated, the battery goes in there, carbon monoxide detector. And I am thinking of mounting one of these in the garage, so maybe I'll mount this one. Pretty cool, thank you. And one more box here, or actually, it's two more boxes. Looks like it's similar to the pull stations. Oh, it's dual action. Nice. I actually have never gotten to play around with these kind of dual action pull stations before. Ooh, that feels cool. When you push it in. Whoa, that's hard to pull. Nice. Oh my god, I'm gonna have a lot of fun playing around with these, so thank you very much. And it looks like there's two of them. Yep, it's another dual action one. So I could have a whole system of these if I wanted. In total, this is everything that one very generous subscriber sent, so once again I would like to give a huge thank you. It means a lot. I'd also like to say I might be sending some of these other extra parts that I got, some of the heat detectors, the mini horns, and maybe a speaker strobe, to some of the other friends that I have that are in this hobby, and maybe do a give out on my YouTube channel of some sort with the heat detector or something like that. So let that be a lesson, everybody, of just how much and how fast kindness can spread. Thank you for watching this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.